All right, guys, now I'm going to challenge you a little bit more. So in the previous video, we talked about 1/4. Right now, we're going to talk about 1, 2, 3/4. So 3/4. That's what this represents. So I want to try to find an equivalent fraction to 3/4. And again, I'm going to use my eighths. So I'm going to take my eighths fraction piece. I'm going to line it up with my 3/4, and I'm going to see where it lines up, and that's going to tell me how many eighths equal 3/4. So count with me. I know you're at home, but say it out loud. 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8. So 3/4, my friends, is the same thing as saying 6/8. So if you look, you can take those two off. These are equivalent because they are the same length and they equal the same amount. 3/4, 1, 2, 3/4 is the same thing as saying 6/8. They are equivalent fractions. Now again, let's go into our pizza making because Miss Seiler loves pizza. Everything makes sense when you bring it back to food, especially delicious pizza. So my first pizza, again, talking about fourths. Our denominator is 4. So I'm going to cut my pizza up into 4 slices. Our numerator tells us how many slices to color in. How many slices to color in? 3. I'm going to color in 3 slices. 1, 2, 3. That's more like it. 3/4 of the pizza is colored in. Okay, now I'm going to cut my next pizza up into 8 slices. Denominator tells you how many slices to cut your object into. So I'm going to cut this pizza into 8 slices. Now again, my numerator tells me how many pieces to color in. I'm going to color in 6 out of the 8 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6/8 of this pizza is now colored in. 6/8. Now let's compare these two pizzas. I know they're cut differently, but if you can see, from here all the way to here is shaded in. On this pizza, from here all the way to here, again, is shaded in. These two are equivalent, equal fractions. 3/4 and 6/8 are equivalent fractions.